Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying two essentials: a signed-in Snapchat app and your device's OS. Once signed in, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon. This starts the meaningful sequence. Make sure the app is updated because older versions may lack theme controls. If you're on iOS system settings can force dark mode. If Android, Snapchat's internal settings or system theme may apply. Start now by reaching your profile screen so you can access settings immediately and avoid extra navigation. Now you'll toggle the theme inside or via system settings. If Snapchat shows app appearance in settings, tap it and choose dark. This directly applies the theme. Once done, if that option is absent, switch to your device's system dark mode. On iOS, use display and brightness. On Android, use display or theme in system settings. Make sure to relaunch Snapchat after changing system theme so the app picks up the new setting. If Snapchat caches the old look, relaunching forces the update. Finish by checking all main screens. Camera, chat, and profile should show dark backgrounds and adjusted icons. If parts remain light, clear Snapchat's cache in settings or force close the app and reopen it. This often resolves theme inconsistencies. If problems persist, update both the app and your device OS, then reinstall Snapchat as a last step. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no system-level accessibility color filters override dark mode. Disable them temporarily to verify whether they interfere with Snapchat's theme.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.